Do you know one of the most powerful ways to optimize your salon or spa's operations, boost staff efficiency, and ultimately elevate your client experience on Vagaro? It all boils down to understanding and strategically utilizing employee types. If you're currently just setting up all your staff as generic employees without much thought, you could be leaving a significant amount of Vagaro's potential on the table. Think about it. Your front desk receptionist has vastly different responsibilities and access needs than your master stylist, who in turn differs from your junior esthetician or even your cleaning crew. Treating them all the same within your software is like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It just doesn't maximize efficiency or security. This is precisely where Vagaro's employee types become your secret weapon. Before we dive deep into each specific employee type and how to best leverage them, let's establish why this even matters. In a busy salon or spa, time is money. Every minute spent troubleshooting access issues, correcting scheduling errors due to mismatched permissions, or manually adjusting commission rates is a minute lost that could have been spent serving clients or growing your business. Vagaro's employee types are designed to streamline these processes, providing tailored access and functionalities based on a staff member's role and responsibilities. This not only enhances security by limiting access to sensitive information but also simplifies daily operations, reduces errors, and empowers your staff by giving them precisely the tools they need, no more, no less. It's about creating a perfectly synchronized machine where everyone knows their role and has the right instruments to perform it flawlessly. So, let's break down the core employee types you'll encounter in Vagaro and explore the nuances of each. Owner/manager. This is the highest level of access within Vagaro, typically reserved for the business owner, general manager, or very high-level administrative staff. An owner/manager has complete control over every aspect of the Vagaro account. This includes full access to financial reports, payroll settings, employee management, hiring, firing, setting permissions, service and product creation, pricing adjustments, marketing campaigns, and all client data. They can configure the entire system, override appointments, manage inventory, and essentially dictate how the business operates within Vagaro. This level of access is critical for strategic decision-making and overall business oversight. Given the power associated with this role, it's crucial to limit the number of individuals assigned as owners or managers to maintain tight control and data security. Best practice dictates that only those with a direct need for comprehensive oversight should hold this designation. Employee. This is the most common employee type and serves as the default for service providers. Employees typically have access to their own schedules, can book and modify appointments for themselves, manage their client notes, and view their individual sales reports. They can also often process transactions, although their ability to view or modify other employees' schedules or sensitive business data is usually restricted. This role is perfect for stylists, massage therapists, estheticians, nail technicians, and any other staff member who primarily provides services and manages their own clientele. The beauty of the employee type is its flexibility. While their core function is service delivery, you can granularly adjust their permissions to allow them to perform tasks like checking in clients, selling retail products, or even limited marketing activities, without giving them full managerial oversight. This customization is key to empowering your service providers without compromising security. Receptionist/front desk. This employee type is specifically designed for staff who manage the front of your business. Their primary responsibilities revolve around client interaction, scheduling, and payment processing. A receptionist will typically have broad access to the appointment book for all staff, allowing them to book, reschedule, and cancel appointments across the board. They will also have robust point-of-sale functionalities, enabling them to process payments, apply discounts, and manage gift certificates. Crucially, while they have extensive scheduling and sales capabilities, their access to sensitive financial reports, payroll information, or deep business settings is usually limited. This ensures that your financial data remains secure while your front desk staff can efficiently manage the flow of clients and revenue. Think of them as the air traffic controllers of your salon, ensuring smooth operations and a positive client experience from the moment someone walks through your door. Independent contractor/booth renter. This is a crucial distinction for businesses that operate with independent contractors or booth renters. While they might provide services within your establishment, their employment relationship and financial structure are different from traditional employees. In Vagaro, an independent contractor typically manages their own schedule and clients and processes their own payments, often through a separate payment processor integrated with Vagaro, or they might pay you a set rental fee. Their access might be limited to their own appointments, client list, and sales data relevant to their services. They generally won't have access to your overall business reports, other employee schedules, or any of your proprietary business settings. This employee type helps you manage their presence within your Vagaro system without integrating them fully into your internal employee structure, respecting the nature of their independent business. It simplifies tracking their activity within your space without blurring the lines of employment. Cleaning crew/maintenance. While not always explicitly listed as a separate employee type, in the same way as the others, it's important to consider staff like cleaning crews or maintenance personnel. For these roles, you might assign them very limited or no Vagaro access, or perhaps create a custom limited access role if they need to check a schedule for cleaning times, for example. The key here is to grant them only the absolute minimum necessary access, if any, to perform their duties. They certainly don't need to see client data, sales figures, or appointment details beyond what's relevant to their tasks. This is where the custom permissions within Vagaro become incredibly valuable. Understanding these different employee types isn't just about labeling your staff. It's about optimizing your Vagaro setup. Once you've assigned the appropriate employee type, the real power comes from fine-tuning the permissions within each type. Vagaro allows you to customize what each employee type can see and do. For instance, an employee who is a senior stylist might have permission to apply certain discounts, whereas a junior stylist might not. A receptionist might be able to refund services but not products. This granular control is vital for maintaining security, preventing errors, and ensuring that every team member has precisely the tools they need to excel in their role. Nothing more, nothing less. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.